Hello and welcome to the Lazy Gardener. Today we're going to sow some parsnip seeds. Let's get started.
Some people dream of good things. Very few people stay awake and do them. People dream of good things.
Okay, so I'm going to sprinkle some water over this piece of kitchen paper that's just on a plate, and I'm going to use this to germinate my parsnip seeds to speed up germination. The next thing I'm going to do is sprinkle parsnip seeds across the plate. There's no point of saving parsnip seeds from one year to the other, so I'm going to use them very liberally and discard the ones that do not germinate or that I do not need. Now I'm going to cover the germinating seeds with another piece of kitchen paper, and I'm also going to wet the kitchen paper so that the seed has a moist environment, perfect for germination. I will spend the next 2 weeks re-watering the plate and making sure that the seeds have a moist environment that stays nice and warm. Within 2 to 3 weeks they'll be able to be big enough to be planting out. Until then, I'm going to be leaving them in a warm, moist, dark environment. Here I am planting out the sprouted parsnips a few weeks later. I'm going to be planting these out 4 inches apart in a double line. They only took days to pop through the surface. Thanks for watching.